Hello, welcome back to Gardening with Green. I was giving you guys an update on my zucchini. I have one growing right here, and here's my other plant. Let's see, there's a little baby zucchini right there. I see that these squash lean a lot. Last year when I grew them, they didn't lean as much, so I think I'm going to get like a stake and prop them up so that they won't, bend back and forth every time the wind blows. I just gave them some good fertilizer and a good water, and I'll give you guys an update when they get bigger and if I see any more flowering and zucchini and I'm ready to harvest. Thank you so much for watching, and you have a great day.